You're sleepy.
Let me see, baby. You want to take it out?
He always takes it out and puts it back in his mouth.
Yeah.
Ooh.
No, you didn't like it? Silly.
Silly baby. What happened?
You want more? Here.
And what is that?
This is for the different types of diarrhea.
So that's a vaccine?
Yeah,
Or-
they used to give it as a shot, and now they do it as a liquid.
Oh wow. He's moving your hand like, I don't want that.
No, just a little more. Just a little more. There's some babies that don't like it and they'll spit it all out. You like it? Yeah.
Give me those hands.
That's it. This was the easy part. The other one hurt, baby. Okay.
You doing good, puppy? Yeah. You doing good. Yeah. You're doing good. You're doing good. Give me those hands.
So
Okay.
these will be like the exact same shots as the last time,
Okay.
except with not the hepatitis B. That one will be catched up at night.
Okay. It's okay, baby. He's
What I'm
tired.
gonna do is I'm gonna hold his head in between mine.
Okay.
I'm gonna move your first one.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pull it down first. Sorry.
Uh-oh.
He doesn't even know what's coming. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, oh, baby. Oh, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Oh. You're doing so good. Oh, you're doing so good.